You came out in the 80s as Cutty Ranks. Shabba Ranks was around also, but I know he was co-pilot and then he came to Shabba Ranks. Was there ever a time where they tried to put together Cutty Ranks versus Shabba Ranks, that type of vibes in the industry?
You know, I said not really. But as something what I think of, couple of times it would be great if I can do something with Shabba.
Yeah.
You see? Because I'm my brethren, I'm a friend. But at the same time, we never do anything like major together like me and Shabba. We do a song and send it to Shabba and then he put his part on it, or the two of us in the studio. You see, and if me I go do a song with Shabba, me know exactly. Right now, me in this business long enough, me know exactly how to craft that idea. And me know once me craft the idea, it will be easy for him to craft his idea and merge it with mine because we are come from the same era. Within the music industry. You understand? So really and truly, Shabba, Ninja, and my friend is unfortunate. We are Ninja, the way I'm there right now, and I really like feel it for him because, you know, youth there, him is a significant force within the music industry. In terms of him name, in terms of all the work we put in. And if you just see it just end up, or it end up, it just hurt my feelings, Reggie, truly hurt my feelings. And I could have said more where, you know, when me there for what even say, because I don't have enough words to say it. You understand, in terms of what me see happen by knowing Ninja all the years of me know him, you see? And me would have just probably basically said this, his son should have known better, you see? And deal with the thing different, and if it was different, I think everything would be good. You understand? And him would be good also.
Yeah.
But me don't want to go in and all for details because you see people business, me rather leave it alone and just make it stay as it is. But Ninja Man, we always have my support.
Yeah.
You know, as another artist to another artist, the man, the great man. You understand? And we also, we don't know him in person, but based upon him work, and what me say is another great loss also in terms of based upon of freedom and a man free is Vybz Kartel.
For sure.
You see? Because, you know, you create such a big career, big and powerful, and, you know, it is just unfortunate them on another road to enjoy them thing about there behind bars and all of these things, and just the way it happened. And there's a lot of flaws within that thing and holes and a lot of things I don't agree with, so but I'm going to leave it right there.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.